Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to use Pictory AI. This is a really simple software to do, so let's begin. First, of course, we have to sign in on the main page, so we can do that using Google or using our account. In this case, I'm going to use Google, so we just sign in with Google. It's really simple to do. We choose our account here and we are in. So by signing up for Pictory or logging into your account, this brings you to the main dashboard showing the 4 AI video creation methods and navigation menu at the top. Script to video lets you generate videos from text you enter in. You can copy and paste some text in or type into the script editor. And then, as you can see here, Pictory then lets you select a template and aspect ratio to style the video. So here, for example, article to video lets you create videos from published blogs, posts, articles, press releases, or other text-based HTML pages. Pictory's AI will then extract key messages and turn the summary into a series of scenes. After that, you can add visuals, elements, and styling to those videos. The edit videos using text option is used to edit an existing video. So you can add the video from a YouTube link, for example, as I'm doing here, and Pictory will ask you for the numbers of speakers in the video. This helps Pictory AI makes an accurate transcription. So visuals to video lets you generate videos from images and video clips, as you can see. Add files from your computer, then arrange them into a sequence to create a storyboard. Pictory AI has a lot of video editing features that includes visuals, elements, audio, text, styles, branding, and format. So I'm just gonna tell you real quick how any one of these works. So visuals, you add more images, video clips, or background pictures into the storyboard from Pictory libraries or your own files. With elements, you can add stickers, GIF, or emojis into a storyboard scene. With audio, you add background music or voiceovers, and with text, you add text to a scene choosing from headings, subheadings, or body text. With styles, you can change the storyboard style from Pictory templates, your own templates, or a style element library. So with branding, you can create the intro scene and outro scene and a scene logo, and with format, you can change the aspect of ratio and solution. So as you can see, in my personal experience, Pictory AI is the best one to create videos in minutes and also generate videos from text you enter in. Of course, you can go and try by yourself. I'm just teaching you how to do it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.